What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my marinated chicken taco. And you're saying, Black Owl, marinated? Hey, you playing on them little guitars? No, that's a mandolin, my friend. This here is marinated chicken taco, and it's taco with some marinated chicken. So that would infer we need to do some marinating, don't we? So let's go ahead and get started there to make this El Pollo Loco, the crazy chicken that yard pimps up. Let's go ahead and get our chicken, and today I'm going to marinate using this citrus punch. You can use orange juice. You really should use orange, squeezed oranges, but you know me, buddy. I can tackle that just out. The orange concentrated citrus punch juice it was today. Just a little bit in there. You don't want too much, just enough to let it swim around just a little bit. So get a little bit of that going in there. Next thing you can do, pour some of that taco seasoning in there, because that's the thing too. You could put in your cumin and your spices and your paprika and all that kind of stuff, but no time to mention it. The taco seasoning works perfect for the taco. That's what I'm saying, buddy. Now go ahead and get that in there, and then you can chop up that cilantro. And I know what it looks like over there. Be real, like Cypress Hill over there saying, "Don't you know I'm loco?" So go ahead and get you some of that and put it in that marinade too. Now mix it around, get it dancing around in there like Carlton's butt. Then we're gonna get it good and mixed and set it in the fridge. You really should set it in the fridge probably about, the longer the better. But me, my parents like said, I set it in there about 2 hours. Now we can pull that sucker out, and we're about ready to cook. But the first thing we want to do is get our tortilla, and we're gonna get just a little hot Earl, that Earl Campbell, just enough to coat the bottom of our pan. Turn that pan on high, and we just want to kind of warm our tortillas. It gives that good authentic flavor. Now let's go ahead and get those tortillas out of the way. Let's put our yard bird in the pan. We're gonna let it get so good, and look at it in there. The color is just wonderful, baby. So put that pan on high, flip it a couple times. Get it in there 15 or 20 minutes or so. Break out a little piece and go, ooh, that's good. And then you'll know that it's done. Now we're going to assemble and have some fun. First thing you gotta do is slap that tortilla down on that plate. Say, slap it. Now we get our big bad yard daddy. Put that down on there. It's damn salt. And how about a little bit of diced red onion? It's diced red onion. Get that onion diced. It's the street style. Now we're gonna put some cilantro on top of that thing. We cut it up earlier. We did our thing, and now I want some hot sauce. And this is some hot salsa, man. I get that thick and chunky hot salsa, and man, it is hot. So just a little bit of do, because if not, I'll be running around like Craig's daddy on Friday.
Hope the bathroom is clean. If it ain't, I don't give a damn. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh damn.
Don't need that. So a little bit of hot salsa, and now I'm ready for a sight. Ready for a big old chicken taco bite. Beautiful, tasty. Oh, so good. And I want it now. And I want it right. And I want it tonight. And it's all sight. So let's get it. You're a hot little thing, aren't you? Alright, buddy, the time has come. The chicken taco is done, and I'm having the first bite. Pardon me, self. Oh, stand back, buddy. Because I know it's going to make a mess. But that means it's good, so. An explosion of flavors. Driving me loco. I'm too non loco. So good. Putting that orange citrus juice on there really gives it a different flavor. Taco seasoning, branded taco seasoning. Spice is nice from the salsa, the onion, and the cilantro, just setting it off a little different. Yeah, it's good. And I mean, damn good. So have to take a minute to myself, but I want to thank you, self. I want to thank you, good old folk, for stopping by another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on social media. And also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, you'll excuse It's taco time, and I'm about to taco better. So, see you see you next time. Ooh, you, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you.